Hello everyone, and welcome to my door unlock tutorial. So I'm going to be controlling a door strike from this relay using an Arduino Mega and an RFID scanner, LCD screen, and a keypad. So it's going to look like this. Scan it, access granted, and the relay will turn on. And then also I have a passcode 6297, and if I do a wrong passcode, and it looks very complicated here with all these wires, but it's actually just everything, all the wires plugged into the LCD and the keypad. There's a lot of extra wires that don't really mean much. So but yeah, let's show you how it's done. So once you've seen the RFID schematic, the LCD schematic, and the keypad schematic, the rest is actually quite simple. So we just have a red LED. You can assign it to whatever pin you want in your code. I actually have mine into pin around 28, I believe. And in green's the same way. I think I have it in pin 29. So then I also have a potentiometer, which just controls the brightness of my LCD screen. You can't really tell it's turning brighter, but it is. So there it is. Okay. Then I have my relay, which is connected to pin 30, and this potentiometer is actually connected to the pin that sets the brightness for this, so that's why it can do that. All I have it is connected to that pin and power. So. And the way to use this LCD screen without a potentiometer is you just set the VO pin, this third one here, and set that up to a pin number. And then in the code, you're just going to do an integer con for contrast equals 90, and then analog write 12 con. So right there. And then that will allow you to see this picture. And I also have a piezo buzzer. I super glued in those connections there. These are female jumper wires that went around the male little headers on the piezo buzzer, and then I just super glued them. Of course, one is power goes to a pin, and one is ground. And then these two LEDs, I have both their grounds going to same ground to conserve my ground pins, and the positive ends go to the pins they're assigned to, and then in that way you can control both LEDs with one ground and without a breadboard, so it will make for simple putting it in the box. Alright, so I'll put all the code and the libraries you need in the description. So here it is in action, connected to a 12-volt power supply and a relay. Thanks for watching.